Bamboo, nature's gift to sustainable design, starts its life as a small seedling, quietly nestled in the earth. Within months, these seedlings soar skywards, showcasing one of the fastest growth rates in the plant kingdom. The sustainable harvesting of bamboo is a dance with nature, where stalks are cut without damaging the mother plant, ensuring continuous regeneration. Once harvested, the bamboo undergoes careful processing, turning into a myriad of materials suited for various uses. Its journey takes it from the forest to the workshop, where it's skillfully crafted into durable and innovative products. From its humble beginnings as a seedling to its final form in structures and products around us, bamboo tells a story of resilience, adaptability, and green innovation.